Hi, this is Cheryl Bruedigam. Welcome back to Style Santa Fe. Today I'm going to show you how to take a plain summer top and turn it into an amazing look with Santa Fe style. So let's get started. So we're going to build on this white plain cami top, and you could use any white top. I chose this one particularly because it's long, and believe it or not, this can also work for a little skirt. This top hits me mid-thigh, so it can go either way, and that gives it a big plus because it's so versatile. So I've been showing the finished product, but I thought today we might just go step by step so that you can get the gist of how to build from one plain piece, build a piece with Santa Fe style. So starting with this plain white cami top, we're going to turn it into an amazing look. So the first thing I did is take two scarves in the colors I'm going to be working with. One is white and one is turquoise, and I have added those to the blouse, as you can see. And of course you're going to want to throw in some matching bracelets in white and turquoise tones, so you get an idea of how you can really dress up this look with accessories and with jewelry. Next, I've added the jewelry, and what you want to do is you want to be dripping in turquoise if possible. You can use imitation beads, you can use anything that's in the turquoise color, or you can go for it and get the real thing. But either way, what you want to do is just be dripping in that great turquoise color. All of these are available in my shop, Designs by Cheryl B. I've got one of my spirit necklaces here, which has the white feather and the greenish turquoise colored beads. Now that matches this outfit perfectly. Also, I've got this necklace, which is a turquoise stone with turquoise beads and turquoise chunks all around it. Then I have this one I featured a few videos ago with the turquoise colored shells. And lastly, this is one of the spirit necklace malas, and it is also done in the turquoise and white. So I'm staying within the white and turquoise tones. And the last thing that I'm going to do then is I'm going to add a bag, and that's going to also be in the white and turquoise. And this bag is in my shop, and it's a spirit bag that comes with the spirit mala. They come as a set. So that's our completed outfit, how to turn a plain summer top into an amazing look with Santa Fe style. This is Cheryl Bruedigam. Hope you had fun today. I know I did. I love these colors and I love putting these things together. So thanks for joining me. Be sure to like my channel and share my videos and subscribe while you're here. Until next time.